Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the most common error one can face in their coding journey, which is nothing but name error. So, but before that, if you are watching this video on a random situation, or if you are not my regular subscriber, then you can just go to my channel and watch the first video that I have explained in this series, Python programming, so that you can follow my playlist along with me. Okay. In the previous video, I have already talked about this beautiful function that is print. Why do we use print? If you want to print something, you just have to pass something inside this print function and you can see the output. For example, I want to print ice cream because I love it. So if you just save the file and you can run this button, then automatically you can visualize the output here on the output section, that is ice cream. Okay, fine. Then how does this error, that is name error, occur? So if you make any mistakes in the spelling of this print, then automatically this error will pop up. For example, if you just closely observe this thing, all the letters inside this print word are of small letters. When I say small letters, all the letters are of lowercase. So if you just, instead of this small p, we can just pass capital P, automatically if you just save the file and if you run this, see here, what happens? It has thrown an error with the name error. Basically, it is saying name print is not defined. Did you mean print? Like, the beauty of this Python is not only it won't just highlights the error, it will also provide you the suggestions that whether you are actually looking for this particular keyword instead of this, it will ask you. So this is the situation where you can face such kind of errors. So instead of capital P, if I pass this small p, then there won't be any error. And if you just run this, automatically you'll be having your output, that is ice cream. So that's it about this.